Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. Just in case you're new here, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of our future updates. So one of the subscribers has requested this design. She has sent me a pic on Facebook and requested me to upload how to do this design. So that is the reason I am doing this tutorial today. So watch till the end and let me know if you like it. So now let's get started. So to work this kind of design, I'm using this flat bead and some pearls along with that. So it's in this pattern, alternate colors, and after one bunch I will be doing this pattern. So now we'll see how to work this. To do that, I have taken 4 strands of cotton thread in a needle. I have taken 2 strands and I have doubled it, and I'm going to make a knot here in the corner. And then just check at what distance you will have to work, and I'm going to pierce the needle from wrong side to the right side because I want the knot to stay in the wrong side. And I'll go one round like this, loop it around the needle and pull the needle. So now my knot is fixed to the fabric. So here I'll add one small pearl. And then I'm going to add this big flat bead and then a small pearl again. A few pearls have really small holes, so you will have to discard those or use a very small needle. So first you will insert these 3 like this, make it tight, and then see where this pearl is reaching, and you will have to pierce the fabric there, so that this stays straight like this. And then you will go back from this pearl to this big bead like this. So this is how it should look. Now we'll add 6 small pearls in this needle. So I've added 6 small pearls. Push them all together, and I'm going to pass the needle through this big bead and the first pearl here, and then pull. Now I'll go back into the fabric and I will make a knot. So it's very simple to work this design. So here how I'll knot is I'll just take a small stitch in the fabric and make a loop. I'll repeat the same thing one more time just to make sure the knot is intact, and then I'll trim off this thread. So this is how it looks. So along with this, I am doing a beaded kuchu because that is how it was in the requested pic. So in case if you want, you can replace it with normal tassel as well. So we will do this without the big-eyed needle. I am using a crochet hook here to make a hole. So I will pierce the crochet hook into the fabric like this, roll it to make a hole. And then I'm going to add this silk thread bunch here. So here I have taken about 150 strands of silk thread. I have glued one end and I have straightened it using a hair straightener. So now it's easy to tie the kuchu. I have already showed this a few times in my previous videos, so just in case you guys know how to do this, you can exit from here. If not, watch till the end. So I'm going to use 2 strands of zari to tie it. So as usual, I will be making 3 knots. after making 3 knots, I will pass the needle from underneath the zari, and then I'll just trim the excess. I'm leaving this a little longer because I need some extra thread for adding this bead. And then I'm going to use a plastic bead like this, apply some glue on the hole, very little glue, don't use excess glue. Spread this tassel. You can blow in the center so the threads evenly spread out like this, and then place the glued part like this in the center. Give it a good press, and then we will tie it. Make sure the bead is not visible anywhere. Run your finger around a couple of times, and then we will tie this exactly same way like I tied on the top. I will make 3 knots here as well. So after making 3 knots, you can again pass the needle below the zari and trim the excess zari. And then we will just trim this tassel to this length. How we will do that is, we'll just spread it like this and give it a trim. So this is how it looks. So here is the finished look. This design is extremely easy, and in case you are a beginner, you can give it a try without second thought. And it looks really nice for double colored saris and simple saris. It's a very simple design, so it's done using normal needle. By now most of you guys would have realized how easy it is to work this design. So do let me know in the comment section if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel in case you have not, and give us a thumbs up if you like this design, and keep sharing the video with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all new updates. Check out my blog naughtythreads.net. I guess that's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.